Hi guys, here's a quick review on this TY Classic 1997 YAPPY or YAPPY or whatever. Okay, YAPPY plush review. Without further ado, let's get into the review. Here's the tush tag. There's the back. Thai ink, copyright 1997. And there's this thing on it. Oh, YAPPY. Okay, YAPPY. And here's the back. Here's this side. Other side. Top. Bottom. Oh, the top. And then there's the bottom. Here's the tail. Man, this. Alright, guys. Back in like 1997, this sold for. Hold on, let me just. $10.99. And then this, I think this is up on like. And then I think this is up. And I think this is like twice as more as that on eBay right now, so. Or maybe I'm wrong. Let me know down in the comments below. Feel lucky to hear that. Anyways, here's the hang tag, back of the hang tag. There's the bow up top. Oh boy, this thing's pretty fuzzy. The nose. There's the eyes. I don't know if you can see it, but there we go. There's one of them. And then hold on, let me just show you him in person, like with his eyes. Hold on, let me show you in person. Let me show you in person what his eyes look like. And anyways, here we go. There's what he looks. Hold on. There's what he looks like with his eyes, like this, and looks pretty cool. This might be boom. Look, hold on, boom. That might be the thumbnail right there. So, anyways, alright guys, that's the quick review on this TY Classic 1997 YAPPY the dog. Yeah, YAPPY the dog plush. Alright guys, bye.